Hi, I'm Dr. Trevorkian, and I'm going to show you how to make a little reed instrument from a straw. Fun for all ages. You only need a few things: a straw, heat, a little piece of metal, and something to cut with. This doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it relatively flat and relatively angled, you can cut it in just a triangle, but it's a little better if it's a little rounded. And that's pretty much all there is to it. And of course you can put more holes in it. You can put another one on the bottom if you want. Put a little tiny one on the edge here. You know, you can make it kind of a versatile instrument. Thinking next I'll try and make one, put like a little pencil eraser in there, cut at a slit and make like a whistle version of it. It'll be kind of tricky cutting the whistle top part, but I'm thinking if I put something in there and use a razor blade, I can get a little square cut out of there. So that might be the next one. And the reed can do a few different things. Take your smartphone and you can download a free app that you can use as a guitar tuner or something, and you could use that to tune these things and find out exactly what key it's in, and you know, make them different sizes, different straws of lengths and widths. And if you want to be careful about it and you want to measure out the holes, you can get this to be an exact key and play, you know, exactly the way any other instrument of a larger scale would play. I'm Dr. Trevorkian, this is Teddy Fuxpin, and this has been making a reed flute out of a straw. Little mini duduk. Maybe my next tune should be some skiffle, huh? Or maybe make a loop or a beat with this thing and some other chunk. Call it skiffle head or something. Skiffle core. Skiffle step.